Girls, why did you want to meet me near the windmill?
Dipsy's going to pull off a really funny prank.
A funny prank? Oh, I got to see this.
That was a good breakfast. I'm gonna go play with my ball now. Wow, she had to drink the whole time of custard. Let's see how it goes. La 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 la. Oh, excuse me. Oh, about to play with my ball. La 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 la. Oh, Billy, jeez. I keep burping.
Is that supposed to happen?
It's all part of the prank.
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Oh, Dipsy. Are you okay? Why are you burping so much? I don't know. I can't help it. Yeah, I can see that. I probably should put a burping pill on her type of custard, Laa-Laa. You did what? Yeah, I put a burping pill on her type of custard, Laa-Laa. Dipsy!
Whoa, that looked like a treat.
And push just comes to show how funny Dipsy's pranks can be sometimes.
Oh, looks like the windmill is spinning.
And we'd better be going.